Alright peeps, so we're heading to LegoLand Florida Resort. We just arrived. We are gonna park and show you guys around this property.
LegoLand, clap! Clap, clap, clap!
Here it is peeps, we are at LegoLand right now here in Florida. It's located about an hour and a half south of Orlando on the I-4. It's in a city called Lakeland. We're gonna check it out and see what's up. We have a day pass for the whole family. They do have 2 additional theme parks here as well, the Peppa Pig theme park and the LegoLand water park. It's gonna be it's gonna be a wild ride, so let's see what they have. We will check it out and bring you along with us.
Hi, cuties. Hi, cuties. LegoLand, let's go. Hi, baby. Yeah.
Here's what the tickets look like, and the tickets are for ages 2 and up. So a Sweet Pea gets in for free, but I had to pay for both me and Dorothy, and the tickets were about 160 Canadian dollars each. Through our employer we got it for about $94 each. We're about to head inside and see what's up here. I'm here with my sister and her lovely family. Got a LegoLand coffee shop here. Inside the Lego factory we go. Your first theme park adventure.
Yes.
Yes, you're ready. You're ready.
I'm wondering what.
So as you can see, peeps, there's so much to do here at LegoLand Resort in Florida. We have gone into quite a few of the rides so far. It's a great experience here. Unfortunately, it got a little bit overcast while we were here, so it's not as sunny as when we started, but the activities are still vast. We're gonna check out some more of the rides and continue to show you what's up. There's also restaurants here that you can eat, a lot of stores, gift shops, and multiple rides. We're gonna continue bringing you around the LegoLand Florida Resort. Oh God. So this is like a miniature city built by Lego. They have like a Las Vegas strip over there. We got some tall buildings here. Got a Ferris wheel over there. Very interesting. Check this out, peeps. So they have a miniature Lego version of the Las Vegas strip. So you can see the Luxor right here. We got the MGM Grand over there, the Excalibur, New York, New York. You can see Treasure Island down in the distance. Paris. You can see the Stratosphere up there. That's pretty impressive, not gonna lie. Check it out. They even have the Mirage volcano. That's crazy. Over here they got the Venetian. They're just missing the Wynn and the Encore and the new Las Vegas Sphere. But this is pretty cool, peeps. So now, peeps, we're in an Egyptian section. As you can see, the hieroglyphics on the building here, and there's a Sphinx over there. All right, peeps, we are going to head into another attraction right now. This one, you actually hop on a roller coaster and it brings you through a glow-in-the-dark kind of themed. You actually shoot and get points. Check it out. This one should be pretty fun.
What are we shooting?
I don't know.
What?
So we've showed you around the LegoLand Florida Resort. You've seen the attractions that they have. They do have additional resorts that needs an additional fee to get in. So the Peppa Pig theme park, as well as the LegoLand Florida water park, which is separate. It was about $100 US to get in here, and they do have a lot of activities to do.
A lot of theme park rides, a lot of Lego sculptures and stores, just exciting things for the family. There's something for everyone, that's for sure.
There is something for everyone. I do recommend coming here with your kids if you have kids, and yeah, it's a great option for a one-day visit to check out the theme park and have a fun day. If you do like this type of content, I do recommend subscribing to the channel. We're gonna call it quits for this video. We will see you in the next video. Take care. Peace out from LegoLand Florida.